Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chocolates factory. First, you need to thoroughly research the market to identify your target audience and the types of chocolate products you wish to create. Next, craft a detailed business plan covering everything from initial investment to projected sales. Securing an appropriate facility that adheres to strict food safety standards is crucial. Finally, ensure all local and national permits are acquired before beginning operations. To produce exceptional chocolate, you will need specialized equipment. A robust cocoa bean roaster is essential for developing rich flavors, followed by a winnower to efficiently separate the nibs. A melanger or ball mill is critical for refining the cocoa nibs into a smooth, luxurious chocolate liquor. Always prioritize sourcing premium cocoa beans, pure sugar, and quality cocoa butter to ensure a superior final product. The chocolate-making journey begins with roasting cocoa beans, typically at 120 to 140 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Next, the beans are winnowed to isolate the flavorful cocoa nibs. These nibs are then ground in a melanger for up to 72 hours, transforming them into smooth chocolate liquor. Finally, tempering the chocolate is crucial for achieving that perfect snap and a beautiful, glossy appearance. Maintaining high quality is paramount. Implement rigorous quality control checks throughout the entire production process, from bean selection to final product. Regular sensory evaluations are vital to ensure your chocolate consistently meets desired flavor and texture standards. Thoughtfully designed packaging not only attracts customers but also protects the chocolate, maintaining its freshness. Finally, establish effective distribution channels to bring your delicious creations to market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.